have some money which is spent by some people in a shop, and there were 80 people altogether. But we're not told exactly how much money each person spent. We're given a range of amounts of money. So 24 people spent somewhere between $0 and $20. 20 people spent between $20 and $40. And we've got to estimate the total amount of money spent in the shop. Okay, so let's think about these 24 people. We don't know how much money they spent, and probably they spent amounts of money which were sort of distributed somewhere across this group. The best way to estimate how much money each of these people spent, though, is to take the midpoint. So assume that each of these 24 people spent about $10. And we'll assume that each of these 20 people spent about $30. Each of these 9 people spent about $50. 12 was going to give us $70 per person, 15 between 80 and 100, which is 90. We then need to work out the total amount of money spent. So 24 people, so these are the midpoints. So 24 people spent about $10. So that altogether is going to be 24 times 10, so that's about $240. And you can see what we're doing here is multiplying the frequency by the midpoint. So I'm now going to do 20 times 30, well that's going to give me 600. I'm going to do 9 times 50, well that's 450. I'm then going to do 12 times 70, that's 840. And then 15 times 90, well that's 1,350. And if I add all of those together, that will give me the best estimate I can give for the total amount of money spent, which comes out as $3,480.